So let's get started with a domain first. What do we need to do to find a good domain that is going to suit us? Now for this, let's start taking some notes, because really you want to have a bit of a research before you get your domain. It really does help to have a more domain specific relevance. So for instance, if you're something about food, to have food in your title, to have food in your domain, or something foodie related. That means that anybody searching for a recipe, before they click on yours, they will usually take a little look at the domain. If it's something completely irrelevant, let's say boxing.co.uk, they're not likely to click for a waffle recipe. So let's say for instance here you want to start a fitness blog. Do you have a particular niche for the fitness blog? Perhaps you're really good at offering fitness advice and diets to suit with it. Maybe you got a load of free courses that you can offer to people that other people haven't got. Perhaps you've actually got quite a lot of expertise that other people might also not have, which you might be able to offer your clients. So for this instance, we're going to go for the experience. It's always good to do a little bit of research before you get your domain. Next up, what are other search results showing? When you search for something in your particular relevance, what are they showing? So let's just take a look with Google now. Now, as you can see, we've got healthline.co, we've got the actual NHS itself, menshealth.com, verywellfit.com, and as you can see, they all have a certain relevance. You can actually see by the domain before you even click on it that they are going to have the right relevance for what you're searching for, making you a lot more likely to click for that. It's always good to check out your keywords as well when searching for stuff. You can download, for instance, we've got an extension here on Google Chrome. It's going to give us our keywords and stuff, long tail keywords that people have been searching for this subject. As you can see here, we've got home exercise equipment, home exercise to lose weight, best home workout program, and we're going to be using these a lot more later when we're developing our website. Don't copy these, but do try and use them to see what comes up first on a Google search. If something is coming up first on the Google search, that means that they have judged that particular website to have exactly what they want to show their visitors. So whether it be the length of the domain, the length of the post title, what's actually in the post, all of this is read together to be shown first. So as you can see, we got a lot about health, we got some about exercise, and there was a lot of keywords to do with fitness. So make sure that you keep your domain relevant and make sure that it matches the intent. So with that, let's move on to the next part where we're going to be looking with free domains versus paid for domains.